Banana is a powerful ally for people who want to lose weight. It gives us a full feeling, more energy for physical exercise, and improves mood, which certainly can become altered in the initial stage of a new diet. Today's video will discuss magical banana smoothie for incredible weight loss. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. We are going to take a closer look at the individual element of bananas that can assist your weight loss journey, and then share a delicious smoothie recipe that will make getting your daily banana a pleasure. Potassium. Bananas are famous for their potassium content. Potassium works in the partnership with sodium to control fluid levels in the body. Magnesium. Magnesium may be helpful in terms of weight loss because it has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels as well as reduce water weight and bloating. Phosphorus. Low phosphorus levels have been linked with high body mass index. A recent study found that supplementing with phosphorus helped obese people lower their body mass index significantly. Tryptophan. Tryptophan is a building block of serotonin, which is our body's feel-good chemicals. It is a natural antidepressant that also helps to regulate our appetite. Phytoalexin. While not directly tied to weight loss, phytoalexin is another substance found in banana that can serve as a natural antibiotic. Here's a banana drink recipe that you can add to your diet to help you lose weight. Ingredients: 1 banana, half a glass of yogurt or plain non-fat natural yogurt, juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, and 1 pinch of cinnamon powder or half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix all the ingredients evenly in a blender. We recommend that you drink it every morning before breakfast on an empty stomach. For people with hypertension, it's recommended to remove cinnamon and ginger from the recipe, or at least consult your doctor before making the recipe to find out if regular consumption of this food can complicate pre-existing health conditions. See how easy that is? You will improve your weight loss diet with a nutritious and delicious drink. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.